So first, we're going to look at different modes. First, the architect mode, which basically takes the user's tasks, for example, like a coding project, and plans it, brainstorms it with the user, and at the end, creates a markdown file with a plan. So we can see that we specify the name, the system prompt, and we have some mode specific instructions. So when the agent is running in this mode, these instructions will be added to the system prompt. And as the only responsibility of this mode is to brainstorm and plan the entire task, it does not need to execute any command. So we exclude that from the list of available tools when the agent is running in this mode. Next, we have the code mode, which basically just takes that plan from the architect and implements it. If we go to the init.py file, you can see that it takes the mode as a command line argument. If the mode is not given by the user, we prompt the user for the mode. Okay, so now we enter the main program loop. First, we need to take user's input. If the user uses the long input mode, then we use inquirer's editor to take that long input. Otherwise, we just use normal stdn. Next, from the input, we check whether the user uses some commands or not. For example, to exit or to enter the long input mode. If the user wants to switch to a different mode using the mode command, we switch to the specified mode. Otherwise, we create our main workflow with the LLMs, mode, whether to auto-approve the prompt or not, and we run the workflow using the user's given task. Now, to get the LLM, we use this getLLM factory function. So these are the supported providers so far, and by default, we use Google's Gemini 2.0 Flash. And we use the .env file in the current directory for configuration. So in the .env file, you need to specify the provider, which is a provider from this list, and a TIG model from the provider. And in the next video, we're going to look into the workflow itself.